Hey everyone, we are here at SkipperBud's Quarterdeck Marina in Door County. Today we're looking at a really nice clean Bayliner VR6. This is a 2021 that came in on trade. Boat's in great shape, sits on top a tandem axle trailer with swing away tongue and brakes. Yeah, nice sharp black color. Let's hop up inside and have a look. We'll start here on the extended swim platform. We have a really nice cushy C-deck flooring, which feels great on the feet and has some grip when it's wet. Designated walk-through transom area here, which is nice so you don't have to step on your cushions, and a great spot for this cooler. The cooler is accessible, of course, from the water or here in the cockpit, so nice spot. And here with your flip-up backrest also can pitch. So if you want to turn your sunbed into a little lounger, you can definitely do that as well. Those cushions that are laying here also fill in that corner that you walk through with some plates, so you can turn that into a whole U-shaped rear seating area. The swing back chair here opposite the helm can either face forward, lounge facing aft, or lay it down for some more sunning space. So really versatile seating. Here you get a little storage for some personal items, and then we have a rather large storage area here, or day head compartment if you will, so a little spot for a porta potty if you'd like, otherwise load up your gear. And then here we have the helm, very sporty, nice clean look, simplified, just a handful of gauges, switches, nice sporty captain's chair with flip up bolster. And then we have the ski locker down here in the floor. So we'll step through the walk-through windshield to the bow seating area. More storage underneath all the seats, nice and easily accessible. Good place for all your gear. So great boat. Come check us out here at SkipperBud's. Give us a call for showing.